Welcome back, everybody. We're back on the Super Duty today. Customer requested an auxiliary air fitting for summertime air toys, maybe a flat tire or two, whatever. So today we've got this really neat piece that goes in the rear bumper that the air fitting goes into, and we're going to plumb that into the tank that we put in last week. And so what we're doing now is the tank that we put in last time, it's got a air gauge on it. We're going to eliminate the air gauge, and we're going to use that port on the tank for our output to our air fitting that's going to be on the rear bumper. This might get loud here in a second because it's full of air and I'm unscrewing the fitting. There we go. Jesus, blew that all apart. I need some light. I need to see what's up in here. Oh, perfect. That's the hole right there. So that is definitely not going to work. This, the blue and the black, this black will go, the hose that's already there will go onto this. It'll go in there and it'll click in. So that being said, we need one of these, a very small piece of hose for that T fitting, right? We put the one back in on one side and then the new one in on the other side. And then where's that gauge? Then we need a bolt that's this big, right? To stick in that hole, because that's never going to seal again. Hey everybody, so we've recently reached about 10,000 subscribers. Decided to do a little merch drop for everybody just as a thank you. Appreciate each and every one of you that's taking your time out of the day to watch the video, maybe learn something from it, drop a comment, definitely like it, and all those guys that shared it, really appreciate that. So keep it up, guys. We got a hoodie with the logo, QR code for sharing. We've got men's and women's sizes right now. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers. I'm going to do some hats pretty soon, but I want to do something a little bit different than just a standard logo. Drop your ideas in the comments down below, and we'll try to make this happen for everybody. We got the gauge out, broke it, getting it out of there. We got it out of there. We got a bolt to replace that, plug that hole. And then we got the old 90-degree fitting out of there, and we're going to replace it with a straight fitting and then go to a split right here so we can have one go to the air horn and one go to the rear bumper hookup. Let's go under the truck and put this stuff in now. Okay, so now we're going to put this bolt in the hole up here where the gauge came out of. Okay, that one's in and tight. Now we're going to put in our reduction piece. Okay, that's on there now. Now we need to get out from under here and we need to make up some hose fittings. Okay, so we're going to go with about an inch. I'm going to use my trained eyeball here of hose, and we're going to put that into that T there, and then we're going to put this in this fitting up here. Oh, perfect. So it's a perfect length. And then this guy will go in to the back side. Okay. Boom, boom. Air horn, new fitting, T fitting. This will go out to our airline. So now we need some more hose. And this stuff we're going to want to run right up here, and I got an idea for this too. So we'll make, I'm gonna want to put some sock on this, so we'll put that there just for now, and then cut this just a little bit long, and now we can figure out exactly where we want to drill our hole from the outside into the inside for our fitting. So let's go out there and do that now. All right, now we're gonna get this hole drilled for our really cool air chuck insert here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna eyeball this thing here. It looks like the center needs to be somewhere between there and there. So right about there. That's going to be our mark. Now we measured this thing a little bit ago and we got it 2 inches, so got a 2-inch hole saw here. We're just going to go for it. Maybe we need to tighten this thing up first. It's brand new out of the box. Oh yeah, that's way too loose. Oh, that's tight. Take 2. Crap out of the way. Oh. Like a glove. Hey, it's really close down there at the bottom too. Okay, that's nice. Now, let's see here. Is this? Oh, you want to use black ones? Okay, we got some self-tappers for the rest of this here. So let's do that. Where'd they go? Right there, right there. You always got to give it a couple clicks. Let's see here. Oh, shit. One installed air chuck. I can't even tell. Nope. Bam. You doubt the master? You don't doubt master. Well, we got our hose ran. We're gonna run some of this split limb Tech Flex stuff over it to protect it from any abrasions. Okay. And let's see here. The end of view is right there. So let's go about right here. And then like that. Now what I've done right up here above me is I've drilled a couple of holes in this plate here. And I'm going to use those holes to run a zip tie up through it and back down it to hold this in place. Okay, drill a couple more over here. Come back here. Do that. Totally the wrong cutters for this, but you know what? They'll cut. There's that. Okay. Push that into there. Okay. Now we're ready to give it a shot. Let's see what happens. Little tire inflator, a 10-foot hose. Pop it up. Push it in and let it out. Whew. This ain't very much capacity. That's 35, 40 PSI.
Still climbing.
Yeah, it's still working. So what we need to do now is let it just sit here until it fills up, and then once the compressor's full, it's under full pressure, 150 PSI or whatever it is, then we can test it for air leaks. We'll spray it with some water or something, maybe soap and water, see if we got any bubbles. No leaks from any of the fittings. I think we're good. So that's how easy that was. That literally took us maybe an hour with a couple of trips to the hardware store to get this piece installed. This guy makes killer products. We're gonna leave some information in the description down below to so you guys can get your hands on one of these. Highly recommended.